Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing yet another Kylie skin unboxing / review. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment now or later, and then subscribe. What I ordered is Kylie's hand cream. I ordered the hand cream. I thought it would be just something cute to have in my purse, you know, since we're washing our hands all the time these days. Does this box open different than the other ones? Yeah, kind of. Or I just opened it different. I have her hand cream and I have another hand cream because I'm doing a giveaway. Yay! So all you have to do is like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. You have to do all three of those things. You can comment as many times as you like, but just make sure you are subscribed and you also like the video. Let's get on to the video. All right, so it's in this cute little, I love all her stuff because it's really simple. You know, pink, whites, really nice and simple. It's, wait, is it, do I have to open up? Okay, maybe I have to open. Oh yeah, it has a thing on it. Duh. First, let's see what it smells like. It smells, does it have a smell? It really has no smell, really. Someone said it smells like coconut, but it doesn't smell like coconut. It really doesn't smell like anything. I have CeraVe lotion, Eucerin, just smells like regular lotion, like it's really not scented. It feels really good, feels like hand cream, nothing to write home about. I used a little bit. This is 2.5 ounces. I believe this was $10. Okay, it is coconut oil. The second ingredient is coconut oil, so that must be where somebody got the coconut from, but it doesn't smell like, so it doesn't smell like coconut, but coconut oil is in it, and I love coconut oil. I use it for my skin, hair, all that. And the other thing that I bought is this, what is this? It's just to put your hair back whenever you're doing, I don't know, makeup, washing your face. This thing. And it says Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. Now, the real reason I bought this was, okay, I want to say this was $10. This was $10, I got two, so $20. I think shipping was like free at $40. So I was under, I don't know, something, it was like the total was $40. I can't remember what happened, but I got this to make shipping free. It's just like, I don't know. It's like some kind of sell in my mind, like they tricked me sort of kind of thing. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to my subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be giving away one of her hand creams. And like you saw, I had to open it up, so you'll know that I didn't use it because it's going to be closed. Yep. Short and sweet. My next video, I think I'm gonna be doing I really want to start doing vlogs, and I know my next video is gonna be a sneaker collection video. And look at my baby being so good. Did you know I'm doing a video? I'm all done. You want to come closer? Come here. Come closer. Ooh. You want to come closer? Yeah, hello. Hello, baby doll. Hi.